Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I will be showing you how to increase font size in Brave browser. So to do this process, first thing is open up the Brave browser into your device. Now, once you are here on the Brave, in order for you to make the font larger or smaller, you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the gear icon, which is the settings. Here on the settings tab, you should be able to have an option over here, appearance. So select appearance over here on the left side of the screen. And now, if you don't see the font size over here, it will also be on the content. And from here, you will have the font size. And from here, you will have multiple options like very small, small, medium, which is the recommended one, large, and very large. So pretty much you could toggle everything on and off over here. For example, this is a large font. And guys, when I open up or reopen the Brave, as you can see, it is now much more on medium size rather than earlier. So pretty much you should be able to change your font size over there. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.